Hello, everyone. Good evening. So good to see your smiling faces. This is Minerva, and these are today's top news. The US dollar on Wednesday continued its surge against the rupee as it created a new high for the second straight day, rising to 169.6 rupees in the interbank market at the onset of the trading session. According to an update posted at 9:58 a.m. on Mettis Global, a web-based financial data and analytics portal, the rupee depreciated by 46 paisa against the greenback and was being quoted at around 169.4 and 169.6, while trades were reported at 169.5 rupees. Due to the recent sustained rise in the dollar's value, importers have started booking the currency in advance, which has increased its demand in the interbank market. Exchange Companies Association of Pakistan chairman Malik Bostan said, Bostan warned that the dollar could become even more expensive if the State Bank of Pakistan did not intervene. Meanwhile, in the open market, the greenback peaked at 170.7 rupees at 10:54 am. According to currency traders, the open market witnessed a sharp jump in the dollar buying from Peshawar to Karachi after the change of government in Kabul. They said the dollar buying from the open market had increased mainly on two accounts. There is a shortage of dollars in Afghanistan, they said, adding that the people from that country were buying dollars from the Pakistani market because they were allowed to carry $10,000 with them without permission. Secondly, dual nationality holders are using letter of credit to import goods from Afghanistan, and they are buying dollars from the open market to place it into banks for imports. Another factor that has accelerated the pace of buying of dollars from the open market was the deadline for surrendering 40,000 rupees bonds. The government has fixed September 30th as the last date to liquidate the bonds. The investors who are liquidating the bonds are buying US dollars from the open market, which increased the demand for the greenback. After reaching a new high, the local currency made a slight recovery, gaining 60 paisa to close at rupees 169 in the interbank, after what expert observers said was an intervention by the State Bank of Pakistan. In the open market, the greenback was trading at 169.3 rupees around 4:45 pm on Tuesday. The rupee recovered by 60 paisa against the dollar in the interbank market to close at rupees 169 following intervention from the SBP, a source familiar with the development said. Sources said the rupee depreciated as importers who were unnecessarily buying dollars had their greenback bookings reduced, which had an immediate effect on the market. Zafar Paracha, Secretary General of the Exchange Companies Association of Pakistan, said the central bank asked banks not to unnecessarily open letter of credit for importers, which helped rupee gain strength for the time being. He recalled that exchange companies had suggested that the SBP impose a cash margin condition on imports, which the central bank had eased in September 2020 for imports of certain raw materials to support manufacturing and industrial sectors. Today's developments come a day after the dollar hit its previous high of 168.9 rupees, shattering investor confidence in the local currency and exchange rate stability. The rupee, which has been termed the worst performing currency in Asia, seems to have opened the field for the bullish US dollar to move forward unchecked and erode the remaining value of the local currency. The currency has been losing purchasing power fast in the domestic market as well, causing inflation that has badly hit the general public. On August 26, 2020, the dollar hit Rs 168.43. Then it started declining and reached Rs 151.83 on May 14, 2021. However, the greenback started rising and has appreciated by 6.6% and 9.9% since June and May 14, 2021, respectively. The State Bank of Pakistan had indicated earlier that the dollar could appreciate during the current financial year due to an expected higher current account deficit. Thank you to all the deaf and hearing people around the world for connecting with us. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.